Hello everyone, I am over here at the golf center and I'm videotaping a whole bunch of air conditioners. Here is a carrier. It's very old. And here is a American Standard. Here's a trane. One fan is off. And this is another, I think it's a trane. There's an exhaust fan. And this is a heat pump, I know for a fact. This looks like a straight cool unit, but it's a heat pump. It's definitely a heat pump. This is where the carrier is hooked up. It looks like a heat pump, but I think it's a straight cool unit. So that was all that I wanted to show you, and I will come in the next video.